Okay guys, super excited to show you this one today. This is a Ford F-450 dually lariat diesel motor 2023. It's got the LED headlights on there. This is a loaded 450 lariat. Has all the extra options you can get on a lariat. It is a rebuilt title. It was declared, it was flood damage. These guys did the right job fixing it up though. All the interior's been replaced from the dealer. Full wiring harness replaced from the dealer. All the electrical, all the seats are brand new from dealer. All the electrical components all on the inside, all this dash. It is an original speedometer. That's 15,578 miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist. So release your tailgate, your lights on your back bed. Power folding mirrors, you can see they work. We've gone through and touched all these buttons, made sure they work. See, I can make it go in and out. Your memory seats, heated steering wheel, heated seats, cooled seats, 4-wheel drive, Trailer Pro package. Navigation, all your apps, Apple CarPlay, tow. It does have your wireless charger there. Brand new seats. Does have the rubber floors. There is no smell in this car. Does not smell like flood at all. Everything in the interior was changed. Does have the big panoramic sunroof. Rear heated seats. Fifth wheel prep. Does have a bed cover there. Super clean truck. Put about 2,000 miles on it since it was built. Make sure everything goes good, passes emissions. Got a lot of these kind of trucks coming in, guys. Keep up on our website.